Principal Dr. Sister Sharon, Manager, Cousin Rules, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. Today I, Bani, and I, Aviraj, feel honored and happy to tell you about Carmel Day. Carmel Day is celebrated to honor Our Lady of Mount Carmel. The name Carmel comes from the Mount Carmel, a beautiful mountain now in Israel. Many years ago, holy men called hermits lived there and spent their lives praying to God and following the example of Prophet Elijah. These hermits had deep love for Mother Mary and honored her as a Lady of Mount Carmel. Later they spread the values of faith, prayer, humility, love, service, and kindness throughout the world. In India, Saint Kuryakos Elias Chavra carried forward these Carmelite values and believed that faith and education could change lives. He started schools, cared for the poor, and encouraged everyone to live with honesty, compassion, and love. Because of his vision, many children received the gift of education and hope for a better future. As a student of Convent School, we are inspired by the Lady of Mount Carmel and Saint Chavra. The teachers pray with faith and respect our parents and teachers, those help in need, speak kindly, and always choose what is right. On this special day, let us thank God for our wonderful school, our teachers, and our families. Let us promise to live by these Carmelite values and spread love, peace, and kindness wherever we go. Happy Carmel Day to everyone. Thank you.
To bring the essence of Carmel Day to life, the students of class 4 have prepared a wonderful skit followed by a dance performance. So let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
This Carmel Day. Students are excited about the celebration, but they wonder what it truly means to be a Carmelite.
Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Today is Carmel Day. Can anyone tell me what makes a true Carmelite?
Is it wearing a neat uniform?
Is it getting good marks? Is it winning competitions? Those are good things, but being a true Carmelite is much more. It means living with faith, love, kindness, humility, and service every day.
But how can we do that?
Let's discover the answer together.
As the children wonder what their teacher said, 3 special visitors appeared to guide them.
My dear children, always trust God. Pray with a sincere heart and let your love shine through your actions.
I listen to God's gentle voice with faith and courage. Never be afraid to stand for what is right.
Small acts of love can make a big difference. A smile, kind words, or helping someone in need are precious gifts. You can witness such incidents around you every day.
Oh no, let me help you.
Thank you. That was very kind. Kindness begins with simple actions.
I forgot my colors.
You can use mine. Sharing makes everyone happy.
Our school is our second home. Let's keep it clean.
Let love guide your heart.
Let faith give you strength.
Let every action reflect kindness and humility. Now tell me, children, what makes a true Carmelite?
Prays with faith, speaks with kindness, serves with love, lives with honesty, respects everyone, cares for God's creation.
Hare